up. So 100% financing. Is it really 100% financing, 0% down?
Correct.
Okay.
The only thing you'd have to pay is closing costs, right? So, I mean, so if you're doing a VA home purchase, you have to pay the
Uh-huh.
closing costs out of your pocket, right? But you can negotiate. You have a great realtor like Mark, then you negotiate.
Oh,
You negotiate the contract to say, let's pay 5,000 and seller pay closing costs. Then you don't pay any costs at all. So you get into that house with nothing out of your pocket. I've done hundreds of VA loans where the borrowers come with nothing. So they even get their earnest money deposit back at
oh,
closing.
wow.
So it's very doable. We can structure it that way. As long as Mark and I are on the same page, say Mark and I are working on this together for you, right? We just say, hey, I need $7,000 in seller paid closing costs. This guy comes to the table with nothing. He doesn't really have much in the bank right now except for the earnest money deposit, but he wants to buy this house. Perfect. We can make it happen. So, that's one of the awesome benefits of a VA home loan is it's a great opportunity to build wealth when you can come with nothing to the table, really, right? And then build that wealth through that home. So,
Yeah, and that's what's cool is that no matter where at in the US that
right,
these guys are thinking or women thinking about buying and
right.
using a VA loan, we can connect them with a powerhouse team anywhere.
That's right. That's
Well,
right.
but
What's cool about the veteran community also, and if you're watching this video and you're a veteran, like it's a family. They stick together, and I've been doing VA loans for 22 years. It's more than 50% of what I do. So,
yeah.
um, you get to know people in that community, and they all stick together, and they all refer their guy, right?
Hmm.
So, and and when you're all across the country, I've got connections all across the country with realtors that are just fantastic. A lot of them are veteran spouses that got into the business because they saw an opportunity, right? And then a lot of them are just word of mouth people like me. I become a word of mouth person, right? So
Hmm.
it's just really cool. I love it. I love the community, and I love. This is one thing the government got right: the VA loan.